So in this case, topic is what I just said. And so we are going to start with warm-up. Yes, I'm writing warm-up. Warm-up is, this one is going to be very super easy, right? So the first one is determine the perimeter of this triangle. Determine the perimeter and area, not really a triangle, I meant to say rectangle, of the rectangle below. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. So once I draw the rectangle, so I am going to say that this side is, you can do it in feet, it doesn't matter. That's the question number one. Question number two, I'm going to same question. So I will say the same question, but I'm going to draw another rectangle. Okay, so you have 3 minutes for both of them. The time now is 8:43. You have 3 minutes. So at exactly 8:46, we'll take a look at what you did. So determine the perimeter and area of the rectangle. You can say rectangles below. So while you're doing that, then I can now write my topic. The topic, 2 more minutes, 1 more minute. Okay, so now let's go. So the first one is, I need volunteer. So you need to just tell me one of it. You tell me start with the perimeter, then another person will tell me the area. So volunteer.
The perimeter is 28 feet for number one.
Perimeter is what?
28 feet.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you properly, please.
28 feet.
Okay, that's what you said. Okay, let me put it by the side. Perimeter 28. Did anybody agree with that?
Yes.
Yeah,
I agree with her.
Okay, so how about the area?
48.
How about the area?
48.
48.
Okay. Okay. So how about the second one? So somebody said this one. If you disagree, feel free to disagree, and you can say I disagree because you tell us the reason. Somebody said this one is 48. And how about the unit? The unit is 48
feet
squared.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now how about the second one? Start with the perimeter.
12x minus 2.
Somebody said, I'm going to write it here. Somebody said.
I got that as well.
You got 12 what?
12x minus 2.
Minus 2 as perimeter?
Yes, sir.
And then how about area?
12x minus 6. Or that's what I got.
I got 5x squared plus 7x minus 6.
Yeah, I got 5x squared plus 7x minus 6 as well.
5x squared what?
Plus 7x.
Plus 7x minus 6.
Plus 7x minus 6. All right, so now let's verify this second one. Let's verify the second one, especially the area section. So always when you are trying to solve a problem, always write the formula, even if you know it. So do not assume that the teacher knows it or the person who is looking at your problem knows it. So the formula for perimeter is always what?
2 parentheses and L plus W.
2 parentheses L plus W. Okay. All right. How about area of this one?
Length times width.
Length times width. Okay. So now we are going to use this area and then verify the second one. So we verify. Let's use it here. So we say area is always length times width. And then our length, any of them can be the length. It doesn't really matter as long as, so you just say 5x minus 3 and then x plus 2. How many of you wrote it this way? The way I just wrote it?
Yeah, that's how I wrote it.
Exactly. So now what's the next step? There's a process. It has a name.
Distributive properties.
Exactly. Distributive properties. You see, you started doing distributive property, I think, in 7th grade. So that's what we are going to use. So now distributive property, that means we multiply this by this,
You don't know where it is?
this by this, and then you multiply this by this, and also you just repeat the process. So let's go. So 5x times x will give us what?
5x squared.
5x squared. And then 5x multiplied by 2 is what?
10x.
Plus 10x. Okay, then we repeat the process. Negative here times positive here.
Negative 3x.
Negative 3x.
Oh,
And then negative times positive again is another negative. So 3 times 2 is?
negative 6.
Yes,
I don't know.
negative 6. And then you combine the like terms. You combine the like terms. So that will give us 5x squared plus 7x minus 6. So this is correct. So that's correct. All right. Now,